Hello everybody. Today I continue testing performance of Duino coin on several devices. Today it is Blackview BV6600 Pro Android phone. First is needed to download and install Droid Market from f-droid.org. Just simply find it in Google. After install and run. Wait while it updates repositories. Then find Userland application. Also download and install it. I think this is simplest way to install different miners on Android phone. When installed, run it. I choose Ubuntu distributive, but maybe in future also check on another distributive. Write username and password for console and VNC. Choose SSH. Wait while Ubuntu installs. Enter your password. First update repositories by command apt update. Then upgrade repositories by command sudo apt upgrade. Now we can install required packages. Run sudo apt install git python 3 pip python 3 dev neofetch. Neofetch is needed only to show you phone parameters, not necessary to install. Phone have MediaTek CPU MT6765 8-core with 2.3 GHz and about 4 GB of RAM. Next, cloning Duino coin repository from GitHub. Command is git clone https://github.com/revox here/duino-coin.git. After cloned, going into directory. Run command cd Duino coin. And run python 3 pc_miner.py. Duino coin miner 3.3 version will automatically install all Python requirements. If not, run pip install requirements.txt. Miner starts, enter your username, mining key, intensity, threads, difficulty, rig name, and donation level. Mining starts with fast hash support and average mining speed is 12 megahash per second. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe and bye.